Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is another unboxing episode, this time from Michael Kors. So there's one YouTuber that influenced me into getting this purse. His name is Sergio. I think that's his name because the channel's name is Sergio's Closet. And it's one of the channel that I always watched in terms of reviews on bags. I love him and I enjoy watching his videos, and actually I was planning on getting the Coach pillow tabby because he talks about it very often, but it was too pricey for me. Then I saw another video of him reviewing an MKsoho, and that's when it made me decide to get this one for myself. So this is called the Soho Quilted Studded Leather, and it's the large size. This is 100% lamp leather with gold tone hardware, and for the size, I looked it up online, and it's 9.75 inches in width and 6.5 inches in height, and by 3.5 inches in depth. So the strap is 12 inches to 22 inches drop length. You can make it shorter, and it has a back snap pocket as you saw earlier. I love those studs. And this is, by the way, called the navy blue. Yeah, it was a struggle for me to open it the first time. It took me a while to get it. And this is, by the way, a voiceover. Okay, and now we're gonna look at the interior details. Okay, in the website it says that the lining is 100% polyester. It has a back zip pocket, a center zip pocket, front slip pocket, and of course it comes with a nice quality duster or a dust bag. This material is so soft and I'm loving it. They also have different neon colors for this kind. They have the lime, apricot, and tea rose. I got this one on sale for $228, and the rest of the colors retails for $428. And yeah, so I got the best deal and I ordered it online. It's hitting my hip right here. I am 5'4", matches the color of what I'm wearing, and you can double the strap to make it shorter like that. It's really soft. I'm cleaning my bedroom, so it's so messy at the background. Right there. Yeah. And I'm gonna make it crossbody like this. Like that. I love it. Thanks again for watching. Always be safe and be kind to one another. Until then, bye for now.